Let's see, YouTubeMater, how to diversify your monthly income. Only multi-million faceless channels knew how to build multiple sources of revenue, avoiding putting all their eggs in the same basket. And this is the most powerful rule to follow when it comes to creating wealth. Fortunately, YouTube automation perfectly suits this pattern. We're going to give you 6 sources of income your faceless channel must benefit from. So, watch this video carefully until the end, and don't miss any of the following business models if you want to get the most out of your channel. 1. Sponsorships. Once you reach a significant number of views, brands that match the content you're making will reach out to you and ask you to promote their products and services. They become your sponsors, and you need to choose your collaborations carefully and introduce only brands that you believe in to this audience who trust you. For instance, YouTubematers, in let's say the video editing niche, they usually make collaborations with digital course platforms such as Skillshare. And this field is with no doubt one of the most profitable sources of income. But it's not the only one, because you can also use 2. Affiliate marketing. No matter what niche you're in, you'll always find products to promote. Unlike sponsorships where you have a quite stable monthly or yearly income, affiliate marketing puts a commission in your pockets for every product or service bought by your community members. You can use Amazon affiliate marketing for physical products and books on one hand, and infinite affiliate programs that offer digital courses on the other hand. For most successful faceless channels, this source of income represents the biggest part of their monthly revenue, aside from 3. Memberships. Platforms like Patreon give you the opportunity to sell exclusive content to your audience through a membership. A lot of YouTubers drop Adsense program revenue and stick with this very powerful tool to monetize YouTube automation channels and even regular channels. But let's be honest, you'll have to wait for a while before building this stream of income. Most YouTubematers start membership programs after reaching 100,000 subscribers. But if you're not there yet, you can earn money from 4. Print on demand. Your audience would love to buy personalized items through your faceless channel. If you're in the motivation niche, selling customized graphic t-shirts and mugs would be a heartbreaker. Your social media pages will be a very profitable tool to gain popularity and establish a clear selling strategy for your products. And you won't be doing the shipping yourself, an advantage you can also profit from with 5. Drop shipping. The effective way to succeed in this saturated field is to have an audience in a well-defined niche. And that's perfect because with your YouTube automation channel, you already have one. All you'll need to do is pick some products your community would enjoy and sell them in your own store by using the power of your brand. Despite the efficiency of the previous monetization resources, the following one seems to provide more money for YouTubematers than any other pattern. It is selling 6 digital products. While you can't start building this stream of income in the early days of your faceless channel, you can definitely jump into this field once you establish your authority. Regardless of the free content you deliver to your audience, you can sell them exclusive content such as tutorials. And believe us, this path made multiple owners of faceless channels millionaires. If you make it till the end of this video, it means you're a real YouTubemater and your determination will put you right in the middle of anonymous millionaire YouTubers. So if you're not subscribed yet, do it now and write "I'm a YouTubemater" in the comments below. Welcome to the YouTubematers community.